As a marketer at CityCool, you want to create and send a message to your mobile app users, notifying them of a sale on CityCool SleekFit accessories. Before getting started, you must first determine the kind of content that you want to create. To create HTML content for rich inbox mobile app messages, navigate to the Mobile Content Builder. To both create and send a mobile app message, you must navigate to the Mobile Send experience. Begin by selecting the group of apps that are registered with the mobile app service and were pre-configured in the system by your mobile app developer. Next, ensure that the correct contact source is selected. This can be either a contact list or a query, as long as it has been built from the mobile database. If you want to test your messages with a small group of contacts, you can enable A/B testing. To view additional information about a specific field, click on the question mark beside it. Select a message type and enter a delivery name. This is a unique name for the message that will not be seen by its recipients. Select the folder that you want to save the message in. Be sure to save it in a shared folder if you want to publish the message to programs or use it in an API call. Enter a campaign name that uniquely identifies the marketing campaign associated with this message. Next, enter the message content that will be sent to Android devices. The title is the first line that will be displayed in the mobile app message. Personalization is supported in each of these fields. You must associate at least one action to each operating system. In this example, we will use the Show Inbox notification and select the traditional template. Since we chose the Show Inbox notification action, we need to provide a title and a preview of the message. Extensions allow marketers to send data to extended devices such as smartwatches. You can see what your message looks like on Android and iOS devices at any time by clicking Preview. Next, enter the message content that will be sent to iOS devices. Because we chose the Open App action, we need to provide a label. You have the option to add a set of action categories for devices running iOS 8 and later that are defined by your mobile app developer. When you add an action category, you can also add a single action that is used if the contact's device is not running iOS 8 or later. A single action will be triggered with or without an action category if the user clicks on the notification without expanding it. If the user expands the notification, the alternate actions in the category are displayed. There are several additional delivery options available under the Add Settings tab. Here you can tag the message for search and reporting purposes. You can also specify the maximum number of messages that you want to send per hour by entering a throttling value. You can choose to send your message immediately, schedule it to send sometime in the future, or publish it, which will allow the message to be used by a program or an API call. If you decide to schedule the message, you must set the send date and time. The default time zone is based on the information in your user profile. Click View Details to see a map of your contacts and their individual time zones. You can choose to process the contact source immediately or in increments of up to 1 day before the scheduled start time. Confirm the details and click Send as scheduled. You are now ready to start further engaging your customers by sending mobile app messages straight to their devices.